Okay, so pretty much I've seen a lot of people talking about Everskies like on TikTok and stuff, and the game has only been around since like May, I guess, I'm pretty sure. So I thought, why don't I give like you guys a tutorial? I'm saying you guys as if I have like tons of subscribers, but anyways, so pretty much the first thing I'm going to show you is how to like navigate the game and stuff. So right now forums are shut down because the moderators were having like too much like work, I guess, to keep the forums safe. So normally there would be um like a whole bunch here. There would be like competitions, creative, stuff where you talk about your interests like out of game or whatever, but the only ones that are here now is the international just because like I guess they sort of have to keep it up. I guess so, people that don't speak English can chat with each other, whatever. So yeah, forums are shut down. Forums is also a way to get XP and level up. Here's your like leveling up bar. And then here you can see like all the users and like what their role is, like moderator, whatever, administrator, for example. So here, creative, I don't really know what these do actually. I mean, like I do, but I also don't because like I haven't used this one yet, but I know that for this one, so you can create a new design, for example, right? And when you create a new design, you can submit it here and it will show you. Also, yeah, you can't submit new designs right now, but it will show you all the designs you've submitted because they have to be like approved to be put in the shop. So every time that someone buys your design, then you'll earn does like it depends on what currency you picked to sell that item for. So like Stardust or stars. And then magazines. I'm also not really sure like um about these ones. Like I guess you can like choose images and create a magazine. I don't know. So over here we have Clothing Cosmos, Orbital Outlet, and the magazines. So Clothing Cosmos, if you just want to buy clothes, then this is where you're gonna want to go. So pretty much they have a lot of different like options. I really love the clothes on here, and a lot of people are comparing this to Movie Star Planet. Um, which I actually like. I understand why it would be compared to Movie Star Planet, but like personally, I like this game better, even though it's still in the beta testing and whatever. They still, I don't know, I feel like there's a lot more possibilities with like clothes and stuff, and it's just you have more freedom on here, I feel like. So here, or okay, let's go here first. So you have these sets. So there's like, for example, like this set, I think it's pretty cute. And so you can buy it, and when you buy it, so pretty much you can first add it to your cart, and you can like add up to 24 things in your cart and then check out. And um, so also it's not just like at first I thought that you could only wear like this outfit, but like once you buy it, you can mix and match it with like other things or whatever. So that's pretty cool. And then you can also organize it from like um different categories. So like the newest stuff, oldest stuff, least popular, most popular, least expensive, and most expensive. And least expensive, it's really good if you're just starting and you don't have any like clothes yet or anything like this one. It's probably a really good like starter pack, I guess, or like this one, just because like they're cheap and it comes with more clothes than just the starter clothes that you first get. Um, so here, skin. So it's like, for example, I could add different things like here I can like have face contour or whatever. Um, there's so many different things that you can do in here, like blush. They have like acne, whatever. Um, Also, sorry if I'm saying a lot. Probably I just realized that. So then for your head, it has like stuff like hats or just anything that would go on your head or above. Um, like hair or whatever. And you can also like layer hair and stuff. So, for example, like right here, like you know, upper body, anything that like goes on your upper body. So dresses, bodysuits, like shirts, whatever. Um, and then like feet, so like shoes, socks, like any of that kind of stuff, like boots, whatever. Then accessories, it has like everything in here. So I don't know if I. Oh, never mind. Okay. So you can use like this, for example, as a background. So what you do is you go up here, and if it's like at first I was confused. I was like, oh, like why is it blocking my character? Blah 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 blah. But what you do is you take this, right, and hold it. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Oopsie. Hold it down and drag it all the way down, depending on where you want it. So obviously, if it's a background, you're not going to want it to cover your body. So you take it down, 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 and then once it's behind, so like pretty much you can like layer it. It's like layers of stuff. So you can put it behind you. And then yeah, so we have for the orbital outlet, that's a whole different thing. So pretty much you can bid on stuff. So let's see if I can find something that I want to bid on. So I'll just look at the ones that are ending soonest. So let's say, you really want like this, for example, right? So then you would bid on it. Or like, okay, here, let me just find something that's ending soon that I like low-key want to buy. I don't really know, but I could use this for an example, but I really don't want to spend my Stardust because I don't have that much. So, okay, let's just say this, for example, this is like Melanie Martinez inspired, which I love. But anyways, so I can click right here and bid. So you put in the price, right? And then you wait. What I do is I wait until like the last 5 minutes, or like not 5 minutes, sorry, the last 5 seconds, and I type in my bid, and I put my mouse over the place bid button, and then as soon as 5 seconds hits, then I press place bid, and usually that will end up in me being the highest bidder and getting the item. So next for magazines, so the magazine shop, you can go and pretty much just like buy magazines, and it's cool because like it's just really creative. So I can make one and take like outfit inspiration, for example, and make a magazine out of it, and like you know wait for people to buy it. So this is the magazine or whatever. It just shows you like a sneak peek, and you have to buy it to actually like look at it or whatever. So also I'm not sure how to close this for some reason. Okay, there we go. But yeah, so there's like a lookbook, which I think is super cool, and I actually want to do that because I really want to make a lookbook or talk about like my inspiration in my lookbook. So over here we have wardrobe, which is really easy to like navigate. Pretty much here is all like my sets, and you can go like this is all the stuff that you've bought. So like all my skin stuff, um, like hair and that sort of thing, upper body, lower body, feet, and accessories. So then, here's all of my favorite outfits, like outfits I've created and saved. There's like tons of them in here. Um, so what you can do if you want to create a new favorite outfit, so let's say for example, I'm just gonna put something together real quick, just for an example. Okay, well I want to use this set and have like this hair, sure. So if I want to go favorite it, I will click the little favorite button and create new, and then it saves it to the like favorite tab. Also, this button, it means like undress. So if you want to undress or you want to like go back to what you were first wearing, here is save. So for example, I could put something on or change my outfit, save it, and then it will update my profile. Okay, so the next tab is games. So the games are really helpful, and I play these so much. So the first thing that you want to do when you get the game is play this like 10 times, which will one give you coins and stuff, or not coins, Stardust and stars, and XP. And once you play it for 10 rounds, it will give you XP to help you level up. Currently, I'm only at level 3. And also, I've had this game since December 8th, and it is now December 9th. I played this game like 100 something times, so that's why I got like a lot of XP. But pretty much you just click on like, for example, you see like there's two, um, if you see like two blue in a row or whatever, even though there's four here, you just click on it, bam. And it's a really simple game, really easy to get coins, which I like because for certain games, like for example, Movie Star Planet, it wasn't as easy to get coins. It was like more time consuming, and the other options to get coins were that like, you could like buy VIP, which was, it's not a lot of money. It's like $5 for like a 1 week membership, but it's still nice that you can get lots of coins without having to, or I keep saying coins, sorry. You can get like Stardust and stars without um like paying money, you know what I mean? Like real money. So you could just like play this for a while and you'll get like more coins and stuff. So see, I keep saying coins, and it's probably because I'm like used to talking about like movies or planet and stuff. I don't know. But yeah, so I just earned Stardust and stars, I think. And I will make a either separate part or separate video, not sure yet, about the profile and stuff, but for now I'll just show you guys the rest of the game. So here you can find your DMs or like messages, like people that you've texted in the game. Here is your notifications. I currently don't have, oh yes I do. So just my notifications, friend requests are here, and then yeah, that's it. So that's like the base of the game, and I'm going to make a different video for um like how to customize your profile and stuff like that because it's a bit more complex and it will take the full like 15 minutes that I have to record. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like subscribe or like this video or comment just so it can get to more people because I really want to like grow my account or whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching.